everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Boringg Susan, and in today's video, I'm showing you a Telfar bag that I was able to get my hands on, which is super exciting. Let's talk about her. Okay, so crazy story, it was Telfar shopping day, and I was looking on the site because I was like, oh, I want to get my hands on a couple bags maybe, because they're the moment, obviously. And what they do, though, is during those times, it's custom orders, so you process your order, and then they make your bag. So it takes a couple months. So I was like, by the time I was going to get my bags, it was going to be this summer. So I was like, me being impatient was like, no, I want to get it now. So I ended up popping on Depop and seeing what they had on the site, and then I found this beauty. It was lightly used, so the seller discounted it $50. So I ended up getting it for $100, where the bag retails for $150. Normally when you're buying it on the pre-loved market, you're going to pay more because a lot of times these people are trying to get a profit for the bag since they are so hard to get because they're always sold out. So I was super shocked when I saw this. It was like 5 hours on Depop, and so I was like, I'm just gonna buy it. So she has arrived. Let me show you her because she's so cute. So this is the small size, the small shopping bag, and it's in the bubblegum color. I know she's going to make me look really yellow in the face, but we'll just do it because she has a really light pink with a bit of purple hue, so that's why I'm yellow now, but that's fine. And then it has the double straps here. And then the top handle. The reason it was, she deducted it was because it was a bit worn on the inside because she had worn it. I don't even know if you'll be able to see. It's not honestly that bad, and I was like, honestly, like, I'm pretty sure she probably could have made it, like, the 150 and somebody would have bought it. So I was really grateful, though, that she did that, though, because I feel like that's a good example of, like, the quality that it was. And I was super excited to get this, so I love it. The reason I wanted this size was because the other sizes are, like, these straps would just be too long on me since I'm 5'2". So this one hits me really nicely. I actually included this in my styling a dress video, so if you want to see 10 different ways to style a dress and you want to see this on my body, then check out that video. I'll link it somewhere so you can get more looks at it. But I just wanted to come on here real quick, pop in, do a little unboxing of the bag because it's absolutely beautiful. I mean, she is already unboxed. It also came with the actual bag. I just don't have it with me, but so cute. It's my little birthday present to myself, I think, and I love it. She's so cute, and she actually, like, can fit a ton in here. I mean, it is decently large, so for a small bag, which I love. So I was super excited to get my hands on it. I would say check out Depop, check out Tradesy. A lot of these sites have people who sell their products, and you can get them for a better price and quicker. I mean, because I was, like, interested in doing the shipping one, but I was like, I also want to wear one right now, so here we are. But anyways, that was the little fun show and tell purse unboxing, the newest addition to my collection, and I just wanted to update you. So I hope you have a great rest of your day, and thank you for checking in. I hope you love. Is there a color that you're looking for? I really liked this one and the blue. Tell me if you had, like, any styles that you were really liking from their site, because they always have such interesting colors. So anyways, I'll check you on the next one. My outro is coming in 3, 2, 1.